I haven't done any tool restoration for a couple of weeks. Too busy tinkering around with old cars and gardening and other stuff. Gonna give this chisel a quick clean up. Let's see how it looks. What are you up to? Well, it's a bit dirty and rusty. Well, it's got a load of silver paint on it. Should come out alright though. Well, that's come out quite well. All polished up. Paint off the handle. Another one to be put back to use. I'm going to pop out to my workshop. Don't need to go down to the stables for a couple of hours. I'm going to see what I can get up to. I think I'm going to clean that old chisel. It was a bit battered and chipped, this one, especially on the end. I'll give it a wire brush, try and grind a better shape into it, and clean the handle up a bit. Get rid of all the paint off it. Well, that looks better for a clean up. Just need to get all this paint off. I'm going to ground the end back down. I'll need sharpening properly. Time to chip away the paint now. Well, that's all the paint off it. I did try and time lapse it, but it didn't work. Forgot to record. I'm now going to give it a sharpen. Well, that's come out well. All the paint's chipped off, polished up, and sharpened. Another one ready to be put back to use.